Justice Bhushan Ramakrishna Gavai is set to become India's next Chief Justice. Justice B.R. Gavai will take oath as the 52nd Chief Justice of India on May 14th. He succeeds incumbent Chief Justice Sanjeev Khanna, who retires a day before. As per convention, the outgoing Chief Justice proposed Justice Gavai's name to the Union Law Ministry. The Law Ministry had earlier sought the proposal naming his successor. Justice Gavai will have a tenure of about 6 months. He is due to retire on November 23rd this year. Justice Gavai will be the only second Dalit person to become Chief Justice of India. The first was Justice K.G. Balakrishnan, appointed back in 2007. This appointment marks a significant moment for representation in the judiciary. Justice Gavai is also the first scheduled caste judge in the Supreme Court in 9 years after Justice Balakrishnan's retirement in 2010. Born on November 24, 1916 in Amravati, Maharashtra, Justice Gavai comes from a family deeply rooted in social activism. His father, R.S. Gavai, was a noted leader. He served as a member of parliament and later as governor of Bihar and Kerala. Justice Gavai began practicing law at the age of 25. He enrolled as an advocate in 1985. From 1987 to 1990, he practiced independently at the Bombay High Court. He later shifted to the Nagpur bench of the Bombay High Court. His focus areas included constitutional law and administrative law. He also served as assistant government pleader and additional public prosecutor from 1992 to 1993. On January 17, 2000, he was appointed government pleader and public prosecutor for the Nagpur bench. Justice Gavai was appointed as a judge of the Bombay High Court on November 14, 2003. He became a permanent judge on November 12, 2005. He presided over benches at the principal seat in Mumbai and also at Nagpur, Aurangabad and Panaji. After 16 years at the Bombay High Court, he was elevated to the Supreme Court on May 24, 2019. The Collegium cited his seniority, integrity, merit and due representation in recommending him. Justice Gavai has authored over 200 judgments. Some of the most significant include his rulings on bulldozer demolitions and bail for Manish Sisodia. In the case Directions in the Matter of Demolition of Structures in Re 2024, a division bench of Justice Gavai and Justice K.V. Vishwanathan held that demolishing houses of accused or convicted persons without due process is unconstitutional.